FastAPI is a super fast and modern Python web framework for building APIs. It's incredibly easy to use and allows us to quickly develop high-performance web applications. So let's get started with installing it and make our first API. To get started with FastAPI, we first need to install two things. This will allow us to run the app and test it locally. Here's how you can install them. Let's kick things off with a simple Hello World API. First, we import FastAPI and create our app. Then we define a route where when someone visits the root URL, we send them a friendly "Hello from FastAPI" message. Now to run FastAPI, we need to start the server. We do that by running a command in the terminal, which will be shown on screen. Once you run that command, you'll see a web address in the output. That's where we're going to send our request using a browser. You'll see the response, message "Hello from FastAPI." It's that easy. Let's create a new example. FastAPI allows us to easily capture query parameters like the user's age and perform a simple calculation. In this case, we'll take the age and multiply it by 7 to convert it into dog years. The best part? You don't need to refresh the page because with the reload option enabled, FastAPI automatically updates without needing a manual refresh. If you send a request with the correct parameters, you'll see that the calculation is done based on those values. And if you change the parameters, the calculation will update accordingly. Let's create a new example. In this example, we'll create a superpower generator. We'll ask the user for their name and favorite color, and then return a superpower based on their choices. For example, if you visit superpower, name equals Alice, and favorite color blue, you'll get a message like, "Alice, your superpower is invisibility with blue sparkles." You can change the name and favorite color in the URL and see the superpower change in real time. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. See you in the next one, and happy coding.